Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add money into your Kraken account. First of all, open up any type of your preferred browser and go to kraken.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, in order to add money to your Kraken account, you need to verify your account. So make sure you have your driving license, your passport, or your national ID in order to verify your account. After your account is verified, the first way you can do is to buy crypto. There are different ways you can buy crypto. You can buy crypto, you can sell crypto, and many more things you can do. After selecting the cryptocurrency of your preference, then you have to put in your bank account details and you can buy your crypto which you have selected. After that, you can go into the Explore page. Once you verified your account, it's going to show you a deposit or a withdrawal method next to what asset or cash that you have in your account. So if you have the US dollar, it is going to show a withdrawal or deposit option here. So you can just press the deposit/withdraw button, then put in your bank account details, and that way you can get the money straight into your Kraken account. Since my account is not verified yet, that's why it is not showing here withdrawal or deposit option. But in your case, if you verified your account, it will show exactly here. So you can withdraw whatever asset you want, or you can deposit more assets to enlarge your portfolio. There are also different ways in which you can make money or you can add money. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.